You wanna hold my hand? Hold me. Yeah, hold on. You get out here with it.
No, you go over here.
I don't know. Let's go. Okay, so we're going up here. Oh, this is like.
Co to máme?
Čekaj, takže kudy se podívá, jak pojede paní. So Matthew, you need to be careful, yeah?
Now you go first, I will watch you from the back. Ty jsi svůj ze zdola.
Pán ještě sedí. Opuste dráhu! Počkejte ještě.
Já musím kontrolovat. Ready, Matthew, lift it up. Pull it.
Okay, one! Oh God! Oh God, Jesus! Oh God, Jesus!
Mushrooms this way.
So this is where we're going, guys. We're going to see some mushrooms.
I'm
gonna
only
see-
touching phone.
This is the I don't know where we are.
Go to me, you move up.
I don't know. The village is called Chelna something. Chelnahi, but what the village is called what? Chelnidu. This place is not called Chelnidu. This place is called Chelnidu.
This is another village, I don't know.
Da, 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 da.
I don't know the name of the village.
It's going up here.
Maya money. Maya.
So this is how it looks like. Oh, life. I'm no adventurous person, so this. Yeah. And I'm sorry I'm not very good at vlogs. I try my best to talk. So we are in the mountains. You can see over there. I feel like you're in Lushoto in Tanzania. Matthew, you need to be careful over there, so you can see the little village. Over there you can see the houses down there. So yeah, it's very tired. Look. That's
Repeat to borrow.
No! 2 for 10.
Not yet.
oh, we are up in the mountain. My God, look at that. Gosh, that's good. I'm sweating. Trying to climb this hill. Matthew, so they've got souvenir.
Yeah.
They're selling souvenir.
What looks like?
So it looks like it says it's called a farm pack. Is it farm pack? What?
Yeah, must be the shop.
Farm pack mushroom. I don't know. What would you say it in Czech? Muchomurka.
Muchomurka. Muchomurka, it stands for the mushrooms, the poison mushrooms.
Oh. Okay.
You want to push Tommy then? You see, so don't complain.
And this one, look. Huh? What do you say? Everyone is standing. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. We walk together. No, give me your hand. We are climbing up in the mountains. Oh, Jesus Christ. My feet. This one. Oh, something. Okay. Oh, we're here. Matthew, we're here. I can see the big mushroom. Come on, you need to get... There's a big mushroom. Come on. Yeah, I can see there's a big... That's where we're looking for. Jesus Christ. Oh, Lord. My feet are killing me. Oh, this is the mountain. You see? We are... Come on. You can see this is where it looks like if you're up. Oh, God. Jesus Christ. But it's an adventure. And yeah, there you go. This is the mountain farm park we are looking for. Okay, we're finally here. So this is the mushroom, Muchomurka. Okay, there you go. In English, it says this lookout point with a typical alba in the shape of mushroom was already mentioned in the tourist guide focused on area around Jansi, Lajny at the end of 19th century. Okay, you can just stop and pause and read it if you want. I'm running out of breath. Okay. There you go. So, okay, giant mushroom. You've got like this is how it looks like. You've got a sitting area over here. Wow, okay. I just need to sit down and relax.
Draconos hoops. It's further up.
Atento. Matthew, toka. No, I'm not pushing you. No, toka. There's the mushroom. Okay.
Daddy.
3 hours later.
I'm going to sauna, yeah? Huh?
I didn't want to go.
Not this one, this one.
Sauna, I don't want to do that. It's too hot.
That's good.